Double-hung window installation in Deltona is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in double-hung window replacement Deltona, ensuring a seamless fit and superior performance. With our window installation warranty Deltona, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. Double-hung windows Deltona. Energy-efficient windows Deltona are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our window energy savings Deltona solutions are designed to maximize efficiency and minimize utility bills. We offer a wide range of energy-efficient windows to suit any style and budget, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Vinyl window replacement Deltona is an excellent option for those looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. Our vinyl window replacement services provide durability, low maintenance, and enhanced curb appeal. Trust our residential window services Deltona to deliver top-quality vinyl window solutions tailored to your needs. Double-hung windows Deltona. Window frame installation Deltona is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our skilled technicians provide comprehensive window frame installation services to address any issues and extend the lifespan of your windows. Don't let damaged frames compromise your home's security and energy efficiency. Home window upgrades Deltona can significantly enhance your property's value and appearance. Our custom window solutions Deltona cater to your unique preferences, offering a variety of window style options Deltona to complement your home's architecture. Experience the benefits of modern window technology with our expert guidance. Window glass replacement Deltona is essential for maintaining clarity and insulation. Our window glass replacement services ensure your windows remain in top condition, providing optimal visibility and energy efficiency. Trust our team to deliver precise window pane replacement Deltona for a flawless finish. Custom window solutions Deltona offer personalized options to meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking for unique designs or specialized features, our window design consultation Deltona will help you achieve your vision. Explore our extensive range of window style options Deltona to find the perfect match for your home. Window seal installation Deltona is vital for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Our window seal installation services address any leaks or gaps, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Protect your investment with our expert window maintenance services Deltona. Window pane replacement Deltona is a cost-effective solution for damaged or outdated windows. Our window pane replacement services provide a quick and efficient way to restore your window's functionality and appearance. Rely on our experienced team for precise and reliable window pane replacement Deltona. Window hardware installation Deltona is essential for ensuring smooth operation and security. Our window hardware installation services address any issues with locks, handles, or hinges, providing peace of mind and enhanced functionality. Trust our skilled technicians for comprehensive window hardware installation Deltona. Window insulation services Deltona are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our window insulation services help reduce heat loss and improve energy efficiency, keeping your home cozy and cost-effective. Experience the benefits of professional window insulation services Deltona today. Discover the best double-hung window installation Deltona has to offer. Our expert window contractor services Deltona ensure precise window measurement services Deltona for a perfect fit every time. With our window replacement consultation Deltona, you can explore a wide range of window style options Deltona to suit your home's aesthetic. Our window installation warranty Deltona guarantees peace of mind with every project. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows Deltona. Our vinyl window replacement Deltona services provide superior insulation, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Experience significant window energy savings Deltona with our advanced window insulation services Deltona. Our window weatherproofing Deltona solutions protect your home from the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. For those seeking custom window solutions, Deltona, our window design consultation. Deltona offers personalized options tailored to your needs. Whether you need window sash replacement or window pane replacement, Deltona, our residential window services. Deltona cover all aspects of window maintenance services. Deltona. Our window hardware installation. Deltona and window seal installation. Deltona ensure your windows function smoothly and efficiently. Take advantage of our window replacement financing. Deltona and window replacement discounts. Deltona to make your home window upgrades. Deltona more affordable. Our window frame installation. Deltona and window glass replacement. Deltona services restore the beauty and functionality of your windows. Trust our window screen replacement. Deltona to keep your home insect-free while allowing fresh air to circulate. Ensure your windows are in top condition with our comprehensive window maintenance services. Deltona. From window frame installation to window hardware installation. Deltona, we handle it all. Our window contractor services. Deltona provide expert guidance and quality workmanship. Schedule your window replacement consultation. Deltona today and transform your home with our superior window solutions. Double hung windows. Deltona.